Here's how to fix you were kicked from the session by BattlEye for GTA V and GTA V Enhanced Edition from 5M. So first, what you can do is try to restart the PC, as it can quickly fix the problem if the BattlEye failed to initialize. Second is we need to make sure to run 5M as admin. Right click on 5M and run as admin. You can also run the GTA as admin. Now if it still doesn't work, we'll need to go to the platform from where we installed GTA. Then click on it in the library, for example on Steam. Right click Properties and then Installed Files and verify integrity of game files. For Rockstar, you will need to right click GTA V settings and then scan and repair, and then wait for the process to complete and repair any corrupted files. And now what we can do after that is clear the 5M cache. So you can search for run here, click on it, and then here type percentage local updata, and then end it with percentage, and then press OK. Now we need to look for 5M folder, 5M app data, and then basically remove the cache folder, server cache folder, and server-cache-priv. You can leave everything else except those three folders. You need to remove them from here. And then you can try to restart 5M to see if that solves the issue. Now if that still does not fix the problem, what you can do is go to the 5M install directory, and then you should see a similar structure. Go to 5M app folder, and then you will find cache folder, double click on it, and then you will find sub process folder, open it, and then you will find BattlEye folder inside, open it, and you will find install BattlEye.batch file. Double click it to reinstall the BattlEye entire sheet. If it doesn't exist, you can go to this PC program files 86, and then look for BattlEye folder here, open it. For example, similar to Easy entire sheet here, you will find uninstall BattlEye, double click on it to uninstall it, and then you can reinstall it via 5M. After launching 5M, it will prompt you to install it. And then what you can do is temporarily disable the Windows Defender. Example here, I'm going to go to System, Privacy and Security, Windows Security, then Virus and Threat Protection, and Virus and Threat Protection settings, and then disable Real-Time Protection. Now we can close out of this, and we can run the command line as admin, terminal as admin for Windows 11. For Windows 10, you just need to search CMD and then right-click Run as admin. Now what you need to do here is type ipconfig space /flush DNS, press enter, and netsh space win sock space reset, then press enter. Now you can close out of this, and then you can try to restart the game again. And if it still does not fix the problem after doing all of this, what you can do is completely uninstall 5M and then reinstall it again, and that should hopefully fix the problem. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.